Hello guys, in this video we are going to demonstrate you how we can do Instagram account takeovers. Okay, so there is this random user of Instagram. Let us do his account takeover. So for account takeover there are two methods. First method is we need to be in proximity of that user. So we are going to start with the second method. Second method doesn't require to be in the proximity of that user. So the second method is very simple. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to freeze his account first, and then we are going to help him, trick him into thinking that we are helping him to log in into his account, and we are going to do his account takeover. Okay, and then a third and fourth method also, which I am going to show you. So we have entered some random password. Okay, we have turned on the intercept mode and we have clicked on login. Okay, here we go. This is we are going to send it to intruder. Okay, and over here first we are going to clear if there are any uh, numbers from 1 to 30. Okay, and start data. Okay, see the status code over here. We are going to freeze him out of his account. So basically what it will do is it will send false entries. Okay, and this way his account will be freeze for another 2-3 days. Okay, and this is how we can then trick him. Okay, so after this many attempts, I'm definitely sure his account will be freezed. Okay, Instagram will freeze his account. Okay, enough login attempts. So turn on the proxy and let us just try it now. Okay, so Instagram has freezed this account. So what we are going to do now is turn off the proxy. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to into Zphisher and we are going to run the Zphisher script. So let us do for Instagram and we will use the traditional login page method and we will do it via Cloudflare. No, here is copy link address. Let us paste. Okay, so this is over here. Victim IP found. Okay, so suppose that person Rohan. Okay, suppose this person Rohan over here entered his real password. Okay, so we will get his real password. Okay, it will be safe and we can then use that to log in when his account unfreezes in 2-3 days. Okay, so that's this one way. Second way is to trick him by auto liking features. Okay, so let's just end this. Let's run that feature again. Select Instagram. Okay, we can give him auto followers page, okay, or blue badge verification. So let's copy link address and paste this. So this is like 3 followers, okay, like I think its CSS has been gone, okay, for some reason I don't know. Maybe CSS has been blocked by my browser. So this is another way of tricking him. The third way and the most dangerous way of tricking him is this. Let me show you. What we are going to do is create a new folder. Open in terminal. Okay. Pip install Wi-Fi. Let's just create a virtual environment first. Okay. See this. So we are going to use over here. Okay. So there are different modes. Okay. So what a Wi-Fi app controller does is it creates fake Wi-Fi's, okay, and it can also do the authentication attacks on Wi-Fi. So if you are in the proximity of that person, what you are going to do is you are going to go on mode 3 and 4, okay, uh, you are going to start a network attack, okay. What you are going to do is with mode 3 and 4, you can select the interface and then you can run mode 3 either 2.4 gigahertz attack. This will work on most Wi-Fi's and other mode 5 Wi-Fi. What it works on WPA1 and WPA2 security protocols. WPA3 security protocol is fireproof, so like you cannot do in that. So when you deauthenticate the public Wi-Fi to which the person is connected, then you can do is start a duplicate AT attack. Okay, when you click on this start duplicate AT attack, you go to the domain tab and you add your domain and over here right to Instagram IP you can put over here. So what will happen is you can add your IP and over here Instagram.com. Okay, so Instagram.com and this is your IP some okay random something. So what it will do is you can add even localhost. Okay, so it will redirect to your localhost page. Okay, it will redirect to your localhost page. It will redirect to your localhost page once you add this rule. Okay, so instead of Instagram.com, it will go to this website and this phishing page will be opened. Okay, so this is a very dangerous attack which hackers often run. Okay, so that's why we were always in connecting with public Wi-Fi's. That's why you are told not to do banking in public Wi-Fi's because hackers always create this way of fake Wi-Fi's and they do the authentication attacks on public Wi-Fi networks. So this is the way. So these are some of the ways which I have told you. These are only for informational purposes so that you can be aware. Don't run it on someone. I don't even know some random person is allowed to knock out for some time. But I have not done any harm. Okay. So yeah. That's it. That's it for today, guys.